All right, let's check out the aftermath from yesterday's snowstorm. Look at this. Wow. Do you know what the word aftermath means? Aftermath means like the result of something or the consequence. We usually use the word aftermath after something really big and bad has happened, like a storm, right? Like this week, Indonesia experienced some really bad tsunamis, right? And the aftermath was really devastating. A lot of people died and a lot of buildings were destroyed. So that's really bad news. But here in Calgary, we have had a really big snowstorm in the beginning of October. And this is the aftermath. The aftermath is that, well, everything is covered in snow. Look at that. Look, I'm wearing my boots. Let's see. I'll switch hands here so you can see, right? Look how deep the snow is. That's crazy, right? So in yesterday's video, when it was snowing, I came out here and I made a little snowman. Let's see if it's still standing. I think I can see it. All right, look, it's just white. Everything is white. Have you seen snow before? A lot of people have never even seen snow. They've never experienced snow. Well, come to Calgary and you'll experience a lot of snow. Okay, look at this. My snowman. My snowman is still alive, but it's not really a great snowman because the oh, I covered the camera with my hand. The problem yesterday is that the snow was really powdery. It was really like light, and it didn't stick together. To make a snowman, you need snow that sticks together. So actually right now would be the perfect time to make a snowman. This snow would be perfect because now it's sunny. The snow is melting a little bit actually. So right now the snow is really sticky. Look at that. It sticks together. Yesterday I was having a big problem because the snow wasn't sticking together. So I mean, now I'm sure if I rolled a snowball it would get really big. Look at that, it's sticking together. You just roll it and it gets bigger and bigger and bigger, and then you can make a snowman. Now, I didn't bring my gloves out right now. My gloves are still at home, so I can't make a snowman right now, otherwise my hands would freeze if I tried to make a snowman right now. But it's really nice actually. The sun is shining here, look at that. Beautiful, bright, sunny day. So this is pretty typical in Calgary. Sometimes it'll snow for a few days. It'll be really dark and dreary, really bleak weather. And then it'll be a really nice sunny day and the weather will be, you know, the temperature will be much warmer. So right now, I don't know, it's probably around 0 degrees or something like that. So it's definitely warmed up a little bit since yesterday, but it's still pretty cold. I should have brought my gloves. So I'm going to show you some of the street scenes here. Yesterday I was telling you about the slush, how slushy the roads get in winter when it snows. But right now, actually most of the snow has melted on the roads. So look at this. Here's the road, right? Wow, it's dry. But some of the side roads are still pretty slushy. Look at this car. This is funny. Look at that. Look at all that snow. It's melted off the side of the car, but it's still on top. Right, so I'll show you this street here. This street is still wet and slushy over here. See this? bit of slush there. And okay, look down this street. See, it's still pretty wet and slushy here. So, what else would you like to know about the weather here in Calgary? Well, maybe I'll make another video tomorrow, see what the weather's like, but today it's really great. The snow is melting, so I'm happy. All right, I'll see you over in the next episode of Mad English TV. Take care.